Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 2 from the chapter fractions. First question, find the fractions that are in the lowest term. Here we are going to check whether the given fractions are in the lowest term or not. When we will say that the fraction is in the lowest term, if the numerator number and the denominator, the numbers which are in the numerator and denominator has only 1 as a common factor, then we can say that the fraction is in the lowest term. If the numbers are having more than other than 1, they are having more common factors, means those fractions are not in the lowest term. Okay, let us check. The first fraction is 2 by 5. Here the numerator number is 2 and the denominator number is 5. Here 2 and 5 are prime numbers, isn't it? So for these two numbers, common factor is 1 alone. Okay, 2 and 5 are prime numbers, so common factor of these two numbers is 1 alone. So this fraction is in the lowest term. So 2 by 5 is the lowest term. Okay, here see the next fraction, 3 and 18. For 3 and 18, which are the common factors? One is the factor for all the numbers, and 3 and 18 are divisible by 3. So 3 is the another common factor. Here these two numbers are having another common factor except 1. So this fraction is not in the lowest term. 3 by 18 is not the lowest term. Is it clear, children? Then see the next fraction, 1 by 2. Here for 1 and 2, the common factor is 1 alone. Because 1 is neither prime nor composite and 2 is the prime number. So the common factor is 1 alone. So 1 by 2 is the lowest term. Then the next fraction is 7 by 21. Here for the numbers 7 and 21, which are the common factors? One, and both 21 is divisible by 7, so 7. So 1 and 7 are the common factor. Here these two numbers are having one more common factor. So this fraction is not in the lowest term. 7 by 21 is not the lowest term. Is it clear, children? The next question, reduce the fractions to the lowest term. Here we are going to reduce the given fraction to their lowest term. Lowest term means the numerator and denominator has no other common factor except 1, isn't it? See the number 3 by 12. Here 3 and 12 are having a common factor 1 and 3, isn't it? So we are going to reduce it to the lowest term. Here see the numbers in which table we can reduce. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. So in 3 table 1 time, here in 3 table 4 times 12. Now see the number 1 and 4. For 1 and 4, 1 is the only common factor. So 1 by 4 is the lowest term. So lowest term of 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. Okay. Then the next fraction, 14 by 21. For 14 and 21 also, the common factors are 1 and 7. So we are going to reduce. Here both the numbers are divisible by 7. So in 7 table, 2 times 14, and in 7 table, 3 times 21. Now we got 2 by 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. For these numbers, 1 is the only common factor. So, 2 by 3 is the lowest term. So, lowest term of 14 by 21 is 2 by 3. Okay. Then the next fraction is 11 by 22. Here for these two numbers 1 and 11 are the common factors. So here 11 is the prime number. So we can reduce the numbers in 11 table. In 11 table 1 time, in 11 table 2 times. Here now we got 1 and 2. For 1 and 2, 1 is the only common factor. So 1 by 2 is the lowest term. So lowest term of 11 by 22 is 1 by 2. Okay. Then the next fraction is 7 by 42. For 7 and 42, which are the common factors? 1 and 7, isn't it? So here 7 is the prime number. So we can reduce the numerator and denominator by 7. In 7 table 1 time, in 7 table 6 times. Now we got 1 by 6. For 1 by 6, 1 is the only common factor. So 1 by 6 is the lowest term. So lowest term of 7 by 42 is 1 by 6. Is it clear, children? The next question, again we are going to reduce the fractions to the lowest term. Here the first fraction is 20 by 24. 20 and 24 are the even numbers. So we can reduce it in 2 table. In 2 table 10 times 20, in 2 table 12 times 24. Now see the numbers 10 and 12. Here this is not in the lowest term. 10 and 12 are having 1 and 2 as a common factors. So again we can reduce it in by 2 table. Sorry, 10 divided by 2, that is 5, and 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Now we are having 5 by 6. 5 is a prime number. 5 and 6 are co-prime numbers. They are having only 1 as a common factor. So 5 by 6 is the lowest term. So lowest term of 20 by 24. Lowest term of 20 by 24 is 5 by 6. Then the next second fraction 14 by 56. See the numbers 14 and 56 are the even numbers. So we can reduce it in 2 table. In 2 table 7 times 14. Here in 2 table in 5. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1 in 16. 8 times. Now we got 7 and 28. 7 and 28 are having 1 and 7 as a common factors. So we can reduce it again. In 7 table 1 time. In 7 table 4 time. Now we got 1 and 4. For 1 and 4, 1 is the only common factor. So 1 by 4 is the lowest term. Lowest term of 14 by 56 is 1 by 4. Was it clear, children? Then the next fraction is 15 by 45. Here 15 and 45 are divisible by 5. So I am going to cancel the numbers in 5 table. In 5 table 3 times 15. In 5 table 9 times 45. Now we got 3 by 9. We can reduce it again in 3 table. In 3 table 1 time. In 3 table 3 time. Now we got 1 by 3. Here for 1 and 3, 1 is the only common factor. So 1 by 3 is the lowest term. So lowest term of 15 by 45 is 1 by 3. The next fraction is 36 by 81. Okay, 36 and 81 are divisible by 9. So I am going to reduce the numbers by 9. In 9 table 4 times 36, in 9 table 9 times 81. Here now we got 4 by 9. 4 and 9 are composite numbers, but they are having only 1 as the common factor. So 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers. So 4 by 9 is the lowest term. Lowest term of 36 by 81 is 4 by 9. Was it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.